I'm Jenny Brockbank, and whether or not you're wanting to make something simple, something colorful, or perhaps you'd like to join me in a Pillow Lovers Anonymous group, this easy tutorial is for you. Start by cutting your top fabric to the exact size of your pillow. For example, if you have an 18-inch by 18-inch pillow form, cut your top fabric to 18 inches by 18 inches. One easy way to square your fabric is to use the Pattern for Home PDF Quilting and Pillow Ruler. It can be folded to most any size. The measurements for the back fabric needed for most square pillows is in the description below. Fold and iron the width of the back fabric 1/2 inch. Then fold and iron again. Sew it down. Lay the top fabric right side up and the back pieces right side down with the finished seams towards the center. Pin them together and sew around the perimeter of the pillow. Backstitch to begin. Pivot with the needle embedded in the fabric at the corners. And backstitch to end. Remove the pins. Snip the corners near the sew line. Turn your pillow right side out. Push out the corners. Iron it flat, then stuff it. Thumbs up if you plan to make an easy throw pillow. What will you make today?